welcome to my channel, and today I'll be unboxing this BMC AlpenChallenge AC01 Three. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's start with the specs. Beginning with the saddle, Cell Royale, Vivo. The rear tires are Continental contact speed, 35mm. Chain is a Shimano RX600. Cassette is a Shimano HG500. The frame is an AlpenChallenge AC01, and the fork is aluminium. Stem is a BMC LS702. The front brake is a Shimano MT 500 disc, and the same for the rear. This comes in a medium size BMC AlpenChallenge AC01 Three.